Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation NW25. The real MAC Studio Fix has little to almost no scent, and it covers beautifully. This compact was a big fail. Do not buy it. The color is most definitely not the same as the original brand. Like someone said, Terry's a really good YouTube video on how to tell the difference between real and fake MAC. This package came in 2 days. There was one small fingerprint, but other than that it's fine. It smells different than the real Studio Fix foundation. It is a different shade than the real NC45 from MAC. It is noticeably more red, and has a different coverage level than MAC products. It is medium coverage instead of high coverage. It is not really MAC. MAC case is flimsy, and foundation is not the correct consistency. Don't drop it. The only reason I've ever had to buy new compacts is that they're unable to survive tumbles out of the purse. It's very orange, not worth the money. It smells like baby powder, and doesn't cover much. No apologies from then, and they actually had the nerve to charge me a $7 restocking fee to return the item. This foundation powder is really nice. It provides full coverage without feeling heavy, or looking cakey. It lasts all day too. This powder has a matte finish, and flawless glue, goes on smooth, and never dries out your skin. Don't get me wrong, it applied smooth, and had a smooth finish, but it had an ashy look as well. Total waste of money. Also, the quality is not the same as the MAC store. It's mostly baby powder, the color is off, the case is cheap, the overall quality is a joke. The outer case was the same size as in the Macy's stores, but the inside case where the product is stored was not. Everything on the outside of the case looked real, but the inside was totally not MAC. Only thing wrong was the fastener to keep it closed was stuck, then fell off. Like MAC products, but this doesn't last all day. Would need to apply at least 2 ice. It's great for when you're in a hurry, and you don't have time to do the whole concealer foundation powder routine. Although a little pricey, it lasts a long time, and isn't as fragile as other powders that break easily when carried around. Gives a flawless finish, and sets into your skin smoothly, making your face look soft and hydrated. It didn't go on nice and smooth, and the sponge that it came with had a terrible feel to it too. Great product for a great price. Product arrived when it was scheduled to, and it was in great condition. Coverage isn't good, color is off, and the sponge is a giveaway that this is a not authentic MAC. El producto llegó en la fecha prometida, el color que había pedido. A pesar de que habían comentarios de que enviaban colores distintos a los pedidos y además llegó en perfecto estado. If it looks too good to be true, then it's most likely a fake. The fakes are getting better looking now, and especially the eyeshadows. All women, young and old, have tried many makeup products in their lives, whether it was an inexpensive brand or a high-priced brand. They have most likely tried products that irritated their skin, felt too heavy, and spent money on products that didn't give them any coverage at all. For teenagers, the powder does an amazing job covering any acne that may occur, as well as dark circles and uneven skin tones. For women, age 50 and up, all the wrinkles and dark spots are erased within a blink of an eye. If you've been spending too much money on products that don't work, you'll love how the Studio Fix powder is within a reasonable budget, and how much coverage you can get from applying it once a day. Some also say that it can't be applied every day, only on special occasions, but depending on how much you apply is the result you'll get. After searching for a long time for a good product, many women say that the MAC Studio Fix powder is by far the best 2-in-1 product out there. This powder is very good at giving a woman full coverage, and doesn't clog any of your pores like other powders may do. Lastly, when you purchase this, you'll feel great knowing that you can have a portable powder and foundation in your purse at all times. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.